Look at this, you guys. Welcome to another Angel on the Go video. Let me turn this way. Look at this. Socks, and more socks. We are finding holiday socks for some reason. I have no clue, but I'll take them. Look at this. This is family fun socks, jingle all the way. And we're trying to figure out exactly what it was, but it's actually 4 pairs of socks for the family. So you got the men's, the women's, the kids, and a toddler. So this is a set of socks for the whole family. Super cute, you guys. Look at this. So again, you get 4 sets, one for the one men's, one woman's, one kids, and one toddler. Super cute. There's the back. And we found these just hanging up around the corner. Here's the UPC. 4 pair crew socks. Holiday, so we'll take them. And these are only scanning up $1, you guys. $1. $1. So we found these right here. We found about 6 of them. And the second one we found was this one. Winter Wonderland Family Fun Socks. Again, you get the men's, women's, kids, and toddler. You guys cannot beat this price. Again, you get 4 pairs. Look how cute this is. Socks, and more socks for the whole family. Here's the UPC. There's the back of the socks. And these are also only $1. $1 on Angel on the Go. So we end up getting 6 of these. And we got 6 of these. Let us know if you guys are able to score. Again, you're going to be looking for this and this one in the women's department. Good luck. All right, look at these socks, you guys. I found these at the very bottom. This is why it's important to always look up and look down. These are the Muk Luks. Hope I pronounced that right. We bought these before and sold them online. These are the women cabin socks. So it comes with 2 pairs. This one kind of looks like it's Christmas, but it's okay because Christmas is coming up and we can sell these online. Looks like this is the circle part, so this is really soft, you guys. Look at this. Boom, boom. Okay, so it comes with this pair. Looks like a llama. And then it comes with like the basic black and white pair. Again, $2. That means it's $1 a pair of socks. Normal price on this is $9.97, you guys. $9.97, almost $10, down to 2. Here's the UPC. And again, that's for this one. The next pair I got are these cute cats. Look at that. We have 2 cats. We have one white cat and one black cat. So these would be perfect for the girls. So it comes with 1 pair of the cats with the light gray, 1 pair of the white with the gray. Again, these are $2. Here's the UPC. And we actually got 2 of these for $2 each. The next one we found, this is the first one I found. It looks like a bunch of sloths falling asleep. This one is really cute. And if you guys look here, it went from $9.97 down to $7, down to $2. $2. All right, here's the UPC for the sloth. $2, you guys. Run to Walmart and let me know if you guys find these. This is one of my favorites. This one is so cute. Look at the color. So you get 2 pairs. All right, and this one is also $2. This one does not have the tag, but that's okay because I think I'm going to keep these. So the next time you guys are at Walmart, look out for these socks right here. Here's one, and they might have other styles too, but this is 1 pair. Or you can look for this one. Stores may vary. This one right here. Or the one with the cute cats. Good luck. All right, you guys, we're just about to check out with all this stuff. Look at this. We found these. These are stretch pants. Let me see. High-rise fitted. Sorry, you guys, my mask is falling off. Here's the UPC. And look at this. Look like they have Christmas stuff. I don't know why they got Christmas in March. It makes no sense. But look at that, $1. We're grabbing those. We are grabbing those, you guys. Here's another one with Christmas lights. Mandy, can you scan this one to see how much it is? Because I don't see them. Okay, so let me see. Can you take one off? I'm gonna see if there's a UPC on that one. Let's see. There a UPC on this one? Okay, I think I showed that one. So there's a UPC. For this one, can you see if there's a UPC? Oh, there it is right there. All right, look, you guys. There's the UPC. You guys, these are sitting right in the front. Look at this, is the front of Walmart. Only $1. Okay, so we're gonna take those. And look at this one. This one has the red Volkswagen with the presents on top. Super cute, you guys. We wear these all the time in the house. Look at this. Boom. Only $1. $1. And look at that. The sign says 5, but only $1. So we're gonna go ahead and see if there's anything else. I think those are the only ones. Yeah, those are the only ones, you guys. So look out for these. Again, these are like the stretchy pants. These are high-rise fitted, holiday time, $1. You're gonna look for the ones with the light bulbs, only $1. And the last one that we found, where's the last one at? Oh, wait, 1, 2, 3. All right, last one we found are these, only $1 on Angel on the Go. Boom, in your face. In your face, I found more than you. I found this whole cart for $1. $1. Who won? Give it up. I don't hear you. Who won?
You're so petty.
Who won? Who won?
You won this one.
There you go, you guys. Angel won on Angel on the Go. Boom. The whole cart is $1 a piece. Only on Angel on the Go. Look at this, you guys. We're in another Walmart. We just showed you guys the video with these for $1. We're in another Walmart, and these are also only ringing up $1. Everyone is over here near some $8 shirts, and they just walk past all these. So again, these are the sheet pajamas. It comes with the long sleeve pajama top and also the bottoms. It is Secret Treasures, and here's the UPC. These are only ringing up $1, you guys. Again, everyone's over here with some $7.88 look like shorts, pajama shorts, but you got this whole two-piece for only $1, and we're still finding them. We dropped that video a few days ago, but we're still finding them. Guys, we are at our second Walmart. We're finding these pajamas down here, and I just wanted to show you guys the price. Look at that. $1. We got all these bags right here for only $8.52. Only on Angel on the Go. $1.